wanted to ask the noble lady, in terms of a duplication, I argued in the Crime and Policing Bill that it was probably not necessary to bring in a law that said that assaulting a shop worker was against the law when assaulting anyone is against the law. And why was there a specific point about shop workers and retail workers, and was told that this would make a special case of shop workers to emphasise why their vulnerability and so on. So I think that duplicating laws is not something, I mean, it's never held the government back before, if you see what I mean, because it keeps doing it.
I must admit I've got a different view on legislation, that where we've already got legislation that covers, as we have here with the Trademarks Act 1994, and it's very specific to the points we're even talking about, then that is no reason to go further in legislation. The legislation should work, and we shouldn't, where we've got something that's already working. I think that the example the noble lady has said it's fair to raise it, but actually it's not a view that I would share. As a duplication, it was important to specifically identify shop workers, but maybe we will just need to disagree on duplication or otherwise of legislation. Perhaps I could continue with this point to say, whilst trademark protection is not a matter for this bill, it is the case that powers in Part 5 of the bill will enable the government to introduce regulations relating to packaging, product safety and product registration, and those who breach these regulations following their implementation may face significant penalties of up to 2 years imprisonment, a fine or both. And those penalties do